guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're gonna be talking about stress management techniques or any way that you can use to manage your daily stress. I will be sharing with you what I have learned along the way, and if you guys share the same techniques with me, please do comment down below. Or if you share the different ones, please also comment so that we can help each other and learn from each other. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Take your mind back to that one time when you felt under the pressure and you felt like things were out of your control and you started feeling overwhelmed and the tension started to build up in your body. That is how stress come about and is controlled by external factors or the stressors. It is so important that we know how our body responds to the stress. You can have hair loss or start to sweat or have poor concentration or constipation. Have we ever have diarrhea on the day of presentation? Oh well, that has happened to me. Okay, let's share the signs that our body has shown towards the stress down in the comment. There are two types of stress. The one that you can control, like procrastination. I will do it tomorrow. I will do it tomorrow. Now it is time to act on the time management strategies. You can watch on the one of our YouTube videos about time management strategies. It is now or never. It is now the time to press into that now button and start doing things right away. There are stresses that you can't control, like the fact that you might be staying at home and having to balance your work between your house chores and your schoolwork. Oh, I can only imagine. You might be feeling very tired, overwhelmed, but stay tuned because we are about to talk about the strategies that you can use to manage that. Now it's time to beat away those stress and rub them off using the strategies that I'm going to be talking about right now. Sometimes all it takes is to have that healthy and good communication with our family members because they're the only people who understand us the most. Or you can grab your call and call your friend or your loved one. Sometimes life can be rough and tough and we need a shoulder to cry on. But sometimes all we need is that one hug that can help us to melt our problems. Or you can engage in the physical hobbies like hiking or engaging in the riding a bicycle. You don't have to be with someone for you to be happy. Or doing the physical exercise. Oh well, remember that it's important to do physical exercises because it naturally releases the hormones that helps to regulate our stress level. It is only called stress when it makes you feel stressed. So if there is a natural way that you can deal with stress, it's through exercise. You can dance if that makes you feel happy. Or maybe listen to your favorite music. Remember that favorite artist that makes you feel good. Oh, you can read the articles or the novels. That can be best time for relaxing. Or go to the beach and enjoy nice time. That can also be another way of letting go of your problems and relax. Or you can take yourself to the park and engage with nature. That can also help you to feel more relaxed. But most importantly, it's so important that we take care of our physical self-care, eating healthy, drinking enough water, and limiting the amount of sugar that we take because we don't want to engage in the poor stress management skills. You can have a few touch-ups like doing makeup or changing your hairstyle. Girls, we know that makes us feel good. Or take yourself for a photo shoot that can help you to think positively, and it's important to think positively because we are who we think we are. And spiritually, we have to continue to pray or to read our spiritual books so that we can still maintain our spirituality and feel more good. Remember, it is now or never. Let's practice these skills. If you have more, please share it down in the comment. Thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.